Meaning of hexa.
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 Hexa. The prefix hexadash is derived from the Greek word hex, which means 6. It is typically used in English words to denote a quantity of 6 or the sixth member in a series. For example, in chemistry, hexane is a hydrocarbon with 6 carbon atoms in its molecular structure. In computing, hexadecimal is a number system that uses 16 distinct symbols, including the digits 0 to 9 and letters AF, to represent numerical values. Overall, the prefix hexadash is used to describe things that have a relation to the number 6.